Hello, fellow roadie. Thanks for joining me for this quick tip. I'm Greg Kleist. I'm your host here. Listen, today's quick tip is about hardware, computer hardware. This tip is going to be very helpful for you in doing your genealogy research. My tip, use 2 monitors. If you don't have 2 monitors already, you don't know what you're missing. But how can 2 monitors help in your genealogy research? Well, you can have one monitor open up on whatever genealogy source you have, whether it's Ancestry or Family Search, Find a Grave, whatever it is, and then have your genealogy software over on the other monitor. So if you have one monitor, you have to switch between the 2. Even if you can do a split screen, you know what? You're going to be cutting off so much screen territory. So use that second monitor. You can just go in between. You can look at your source, say census record on Ancestry.com. You can see your information, go to the next screen, type in that information, go back and forth between the 2 monitors without having to physically switch between them. It's going to help a lot, believe me. Don't have a second monitor? That's okay. You can use a laptop as a second monitor, or you can even use a tablet if you want. Or you can use a laptop as your primary screen and a tablet as your secondary. You can do it any way you want. The ideal way is to use a second monitor on your desktop computer, though. Believe me, that's going to make your research so much easier and faster. Fantastic. Hey, thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.